In this video, I'll show you how to customize the header font in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to your top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Once you are on your website, the first step is to head over to your top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the paintbrush for site styles. Now on site styles, what you want to do is simply hover on fonts, and on the right hand side of fonts, click on the arrow going to the right. Once you do that, what you want to do is just simply click on a text box within your header. As you can see in here, we have two text boxes, and you can change this into however you want it to be. Now let's say I want to change the font of my navigation menu, so just simply click on that text box. Once you do that, on the right hand side, it will actually show you the font of the text box. And in order for you to change this, simply click on the drop down. And once you click on the drop down, you will have a lot of selections to choose from. And what you could also do is at the very top of the search bar, you can search for a font. Let's say we want to search for Montserrat. And once you do that, just simply click on the font. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the font of our header. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.